Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying you have an administrator account and a recent backup so you can reverse changes if needed. Once done, write down the Windows 10 product key or link it to your Microsoft account. This prevents activation loss if you reactivate later. Now open Settings, navigate to Accounts, and switch to a local account if you plan to fully disconnect from Microsoft services. Make sure to close apps and save work before proceeding to deactivation steps. You continue by going to Settings, Update and Security, then Activation to see your activation status. If you plan to remove activation, click Change Product Key and enter a generic or blank key only when instructed. Otherwise, use the Troubleshoot option to unlink a digital license from this device. If your PC is linked to a Microsoft account, sign into Account. Microsoft.com, find Devices, and remove the device to free the license. These steps ensure the license is detached cleanly. You finish by restarting the computer and checking Settings activation to verify the status now reads Not Activated or similar. If the device remains linked, return to your Microsoft account online and remove it from Devices. Make sure local account changes persist. If you see unexpected errors, run the activation troubleshooter, which often resolves common conflicts, or sign out and back into your Microsoft account. One key troubleshooting tip: keep your product key and backup handy if you need to reactivate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.